Imagine using a phone in 2020 with a physical home button. Alright, no, but in all seriousness, Apple just released a 2020 version, a refresh of the iPhone SE. So the rumors were true. We got a brand new iPhone SE, 4.7-inch screen, comes with a Touch ID. It has portrait mode, 12 megapixel camera. The portrait mode is only for like photos of people anyways, but this phone looks solid, right? It has Qi wireless charging, the MKBHD color scheme. It comes out in black, white, red, and this is like the perfect phone for my mom, you know what I'm saying, my little sister. I buy this phone, but you know what's funny, it costs like $399. You know what else costs $399? The iPad Pro Magic Keyboard. That also costs $399. So should I buy the new iPad Pro Magic Keyboard with the trackpad, or should I just buy my mom a new phone? You know what I'm saying? Like, Apple, what are we doing? What are we doing? But anyways, guys, this new phone looks solid, and there's just so much more to talk about the phone. You already know I love the iPhone SE. I done a video with the iPhone SE using it for I used it for like 6 months, right? Because that was like a challenge for me, and I loved it. It's a great form factor. I love the design, and it's just the right budget phone. But should they have kept the Touch ID? You know what I'm saying? I don't know. They probably should have went with a full screen display. But maybe they didn't want to leak too much of their new displays, stuff like that. But if Apple was coming out with a new like Touch ID under the glass, a new notch, wouldn't that be like the old stuff that people don't want? So then no Touch ID for this one, keep the notch and the regular Face ID, and then 2020 iPhone 12 would have that under the glass fingerprint scanner, no notch, you know? So I'm just kind of worried. Is the iPhone 12 gonna still have that notch and we don't get under glass Touch ID? I hope not. But in all honesty, the phone looks good. It's gonna be very powerful with the A13 Bionic chip. It looks almost like the iPhone 7 or iPhone 8, but it's just like a refresh, and I think a lot of people are gonna appreciate this new design and price point, especially people who always wanted to get into the Apple ecosystem, but they thought it was too expensive. I love how they didn't make the phone look cheap. You know, it still looks premium, and it's like a good budget phone. Finally, Apple actually has a good budget phone. Water resistance, it's gonna shoot 4K at 30. Just so much things to talk about this phone that I just can't wait to get into the hands of my palm, into the palm of my hands. But yeah, I'm gonna pre-order this device, and also I'm gonna buy the Apple Magic trackpad for the same price. Like, what? But anyways, guys, hope you enjoyed this video. I'll keep you guys posted as soon as I get it. Make sure you have post notifications turned on, reviews, unboxing, all that's coming soon. I also have something that I'm going to talk about soon, which is the LG V60 Thin Q. Shh, don't let them know that I talk about it. But yeah, as always, guys, love, peace, and tweaks. Signing out.